Grand Cayman is the largest of the three Cayman Islands. When cruise ships come to the island, they are anchored off the coast of George Town. A water shuttle transports passengers from the ship to the island. From the waterfront, you can take a tour of the island by bus, or you can take a tour of the city by bus also. One of the best ways to see the town is to do a walk-in tour. In this video, I'll take you on a walk-in tour of Georgetown, which starts from the waterfront. Before we begin, let's talk about safety. The Cayman Islands are very safe for both tourists and residents. Grand Cayman is a safe destination for families to vacation and to take tours. You can take a walk-in tour of Georgetown on your own with no fear of anything happening to you. The crime rate in the Grand Cayman is very low, but you still have to be vigilant. The city expands to the east, but most attractions are close to the Harbour Drive. You will find a few shops, and right in front of the exit gate, a street, Front Street. Front Street will take you right to Heroes Square. Heroes Square is built in honor of the men and women who dedicated their lives for the betterment of the Cayman Islands. The square consists of some monuments and the fountain at the center of the square. The Peace Memorial and the clock tower overlooks the square. Inside the Peace Memorial is the Constitution Hall, which was constructed in 1926 as a memorial for those who died in World War I. The library is on the other side, overlooking the square also. One of the major attractions in the park is the Wall of Honor that features the names of the most noble Caymanians. This wall contains a list of 500 names. Across from the square is the Law Courts building, or the courthouse. To my left is a wall of tiles. Across the street is a shopping center. There are some duty-free shops on the other side. A few blocks away, across the street is another point of interest, the House of Parliament. The streets are very quiet. I will show you some other points of interest. I'm still in the tourist area. I've walked quite a bit. I am just resting because I'm pretty tired right now. Let's continue our journey.
Don't ever change for anybody. Don't ever trade your soul. Don't even listen to him.
This section here has a store upstairs. I'm heading upstairs to see what it's like. From here, I got a view of the First Caribbean Bank, CIBC. A better view here. One thing I noticed is parking lots all over. This is the upstairs store. I didn't see any of the stores. Everything seems to be downstairs, but it's a lovely view from here. I was asking about if I could use a public washroom, and I was told to go to the Starbucks. I will be able to use the washroom there. So I'm trying to get to the Starbucks and see if I can use the washroom. So that's the thing when you're traveling. Check out the sign here. After walking a few blocks, I came across the Starbucks. It's a very clean place. I was very impressed. There's a sitting area with a lounge, a sofa, and so I'm inside the Starbucks. This is the Cayman Islands. The town itself is quite small. I did decide to browse around. There's a Cayman perfume lab. There is so much to see in Georgetown. Let's continue the journey with me. This is going to be so exciting. Right here is a restaurant. It's a little cafe right on the corner here on my left. I am going up a little further and will turn around. Over on this side are some shops. These are shops all along here, and as I continue, there's a mall ahead. It is not a long walk from the wharf. Seeing the town is the exciting thing. Whether you're coming from the cruise port or you're coming to George Town from elsewhere, taking that walk is amazing. You get to see so much. I did not take the name of the streets, but if you're coming from the cruise port, you will get a map and you can follow the guide on the map and come to all those little areas here that I showed you. It is not too far. The streets are quiet today, so it looks like there is not much excitement going on, but there is a lot to see, and there are restaurants along the way, little cafes. You saw the Starbucks, and there are tours if you want to take a city tour. But for me, I prefer walking. I'm in the Cayman Islands, guys. Look at the palm trees, beautiful palm trees. Oh, look at that. You see that, guys? Cayman Islands government. The visa office right here. So here, Cayman Island Custom. There's the Custom and Border Control right here. Yeah. So security, stability, prosperity. You can't see anything in there, guys. I'm opening the door. Oh, what it is. I don't know what's in here. I got a picture of the building. It's right here. It's called the Cayman Islands Border Service, Border Control. So I'm really curious. I went in to see what was there. So I'm just, and here, their migration management here. I feel so safe here. CCC Cayman Corporation. You want to take a bus? Right here at the police station, I'm at the central part of George Town. Very central. Over here is a cargo area. It's a docking area for the cargoes. I can see the cruise ship way over here. I'm on my way back. The journey was long. It was fun. I got to see lots. Very educational. There's a museum right here.